Yo, it's your boy. Finna gonna be with Andrew. Finna do some vlogging today. This is gonna be the intro. He ain't gonna know. He don't need to know. It's just for us, you know. All right. I'm finna be on the road in a little bit. Oh, I need to brush my hair though. The dogs.
Did you put him in the? Oh damn.
Yo, it's some big talk coming from the tilt top. When we shine, they gon' hit me like I'm Chris Rock.
What about these?
What? What?
Why does it smell like wood chips in here?
It smells, and I don't know, it smells decent.
It smells wet. Nigga, there's no cups.
No, there's no. It's a something smell through refreshments.
There's like 8 people walking through here that probably don't even live here.
So, if you guys don't know this, me and Evan are looking for a hotel. Not a hotel, it's an apartment.
We're gonna die.
We came across this place. It looks nice, but there's some iffy parts about it. But we're gonna take a look at it.
Well, this was like the Tipton. If the Tipton didn't have like a 5-star rating.
Well, we failed. We lost interest. The lady literally took like, what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes? Took too dang long. So we gave up. We gave up.
That was stupid.
Look, this is what I'm telling you guys. Look how big that apartment is. It's like, yeah, it's tall. I mean, guys, look at that. How tall it is.
It's the Tipton.
It's the Tipton. It's gonna sneak in more than half the population of India food to see Captain Marvel.
20 bags of rice, 50 bags of beans, 3 cups of salsa, a bag of cheese, and 8 packs of tortillas. And we'll make burritos.
You gonna bring those instant burrito makers?
Hell yeah.
We kind of looked in there too. But we're gonna see who sneaks in the most. Evan's really good at this, so this would be my first time trying to beat him. So I don't know. I don't have faith in myself. Not against Evan.
That's almost a personal problem.
I don't know. You're really good. So quick story. Quick story. We went to go see Aquaman with Evan, our friend Zeus. Shout out to Zeus. We went to go see Aquaman. This guy stuck in a whole box of oatmeal cream pies. What was the other one?
Those strawberry shortcake rolls.
Strawberry shortcakes, M&Ms. What was the other one? There was more.
I had some honey buns.
Honey buns. 2 things of honey buns. And I think that's it. We're at the Family Dollar. No, not sponsored. Not sponsored. Ooh, they're hiring though.
Frozen and refrigerated food.
What you say? Yeah. I don't know, like, it's kind of crowded. Alright, we need one. Chuck up a mayonnaise. Babe, they got Christmas wrap already.
Oh snap. They got the sugar cookies.
I think it's back the other way. Oh, right here. Here, there's some homemade cream pies, bro.
It's $1.99. It's $1.79. What I need?
It's cheaper at Walmart.
It's $1. Let's sneak a whole thing of this. It's fucking weird.
It zaps.
You gotta get the front. I'll beat you with this jib job. Stop. Move, bro.
We're gonna go to another dollar store, see what we can find. Find!
The tingles good. Pop, 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 pop. Silly keep pop, pop. And a whoop, whoop, whoop.
Alright, guys, we're at the 3rd location.
Cause I got corny nuts, bro.
I got corn nuts. Not sponsored.
Cookies. They got the golden cream cake.
Bro, they got the pickles. They got no belly button.
Shout out to Veggie Tales.
We're back, guys. Our short little cut. We're on our way to go see Captain Marvel now. I really hope it's good, because I'm not a fan of going way back.
But Captain America was way back. He was the fucking 40s.
Yeah,
bro.
but so much happened so far.
It's the 90s, bro.
Yeah,
like,
but so much that we saw. Like, what happened to Iron Man? What happened to all these people?
That's true. Because then they talking about like the fucking Skrulls and Kree. Like, bitch, that's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. That's TV land, nigga. This is movie land. We defeated them back in season 5. We on season 8 of Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. We don't give them, nigga, they got their asses kicked, bro. Like, we don't care, nigga. Captain Marvel, yeah. Nigga, so what? Loki's an ice giant. We defeated them in what? Thor 1, nigga? Like, we don't see them going back. Like, I don't care. I don't want to see this. And then, now we see bald ass Samuel L. Jackson with a fade. Like, nigga, really? Nigga,
Like, they did his best to make him look young.
I know, he has a whole Steve Harvey wig on. I'm like, bro. Nigga walk in, I'm Nick Fury. Nigga, we know who you are. Like, what was her purpose? We finna find out, yeah, but can you do something better? I stop first, bitch, you better wait. Like, they want to talk about the Skrulls and the Kree. Like, no, nigga, that's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Do something new.
We're just looking at random stuff before the movie, guys. Like, look at this weird stuff. This candy soda.
Peanuts movie on vinyl.
Yes.
Butcher Babies. That's okay. Fast and Furious, the album. I don't know what that is. I don't know what they are. That's a gazelle.
Hello there.
Brother.
Oh my god. I'll catch you guys later.
The dogs.
Did you put him in the... Oh, damn.
I told you I've been doing this. Boom. 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 I dropped one, but it's okay. Boom. Boom.
How much was that in total?
Oh, we're finna count.
We're doing karaoke later, and you're gonna sing.
Boom.
Jimmy, this is
I know, but it's all right.
Told you about everything.
Let's
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Mike and Mason.
Good, that one was good. That was a good one.
Serving part-time in the Army National Guard. Visit nationalguard.com/community.
We're finna minus the number when it comes out.
I think it's done. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He beat me by 1.
12.
You had 12.
I had 12. You said 10.
So we saw Captain Marvel. We stayed past the end credits, both of them. I'm actually pretty excited. I like how, I don't, to be honest, I don't like how she met them.
Who, the Avengers?
Yeah. I think it felt kind of half-assed.
I mean, that's how low-key, that's how real niggas pull up, though.
I thought she would show up during like a fight.
Nah, that's how real niggas pull up, though. Like, if you call for help, your nigga ain't gonna let you know he's on the way. He's just gonna pull up on your ass. That's how real.
Because first of all, she didn't even know them.
It don't matter. That's what the thingy is.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't like it. I thought she was gonna
the
come up and
plagiarism.
save people.
I low-key thought, too, like she was gonna just pull a Thor and
Yeah.
get your Wakanda shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like...
But the movie actually wasn't too bad. I liked it. The scroll saved it, to be honest.
Scroll and Nick.
Nick Fury, they saved
Nick and
it.
the Scroll saved that low key.
You guys
Brie Larson did alright, but it was a CGI that did everything.
Yeah,
that's what
honestly.
Andrew said, and I agree with him.
She was in it for like less than probably 10 minutes.
Like,
But honestly, it was not bad. No shots fired. But I liked the movie. It wasn't too bad.
yeah, it was
But
pretty good.
yeah, we can't wait for Endgame.
Has there been better? Yes.
Yes, by far. So again,
Was still the Dark World better? Well, you can kind of argue with that. Like
Evan won, bringing in the most snacks. We honestly didn't even eat half those snacks.
we just threw we did it for you guys to see who has the best smuggler. And of
I
course,
legitimately couldn't eat. I had one of those zingers and they were way too much.
you see, I'm just eating a little bit of the after effects. No,
He kept the honey bun.
no, nigga, this is
But-
a strawberry cheese Davis.
Oh, I'm sorry. Evan won. Leave in the comments what we should do since Evan won that. But anyways, that was pretty much just a random vlog. We wanted to go see Captain America on one of our days off. I said Captain America, my dumbass. I mean Captain Marvel. Or Marvel.
Your commentary is trash.
Marvel. I mean, at least I look at the camera when I talk. You look at me.
Huh?